Hi, my name is Monique Rodriguez, and I am the CEO of Mielle Organics. So my earliest hair memories are me going to the hair salon. I started going to the hair salon at the age of like 12. It was years and years of just going to the shop like every 3 weeks, just getting my hair like super silk pressed. But it was also very damaging to my hair. But in hindsight, obviously I didn't know that at the time. But now that I understand like about heat damage and the health of the hair, it was very unhealthy. But I did that from like the age of 12 all the way into my early like 20s and like almost to 30. So what I've learned over the years with my hair is that my hair is only unique to me. Like the DNA, because when you are looking at people on social media, you're like, oh, her hair type, it looks similar, but there's no hair type that is the same as someone else's. Like your DNA is very unique to you. And I had to learn that because I would try to achieve certain looks or use some of the same products. And when I didn't get the same results, I would get upset and frustrated. But I had to understand, what works for my hair type. So I started this company by going on my own natural hair journey and discovering, my natural hair. I would like make my own products. I did a lot of research, a lot of trial and error, because I would go in the aisles and see so many different products, and what I saw was a void of relatability. And I felt that, there were other women that probably felt the same way that I felt, and I felt that that was a void that I can fill. It helped me to be a little bit more educated, to make sure that I was getting, what I truly wanted, that was healthier products that performed on our hair. The products that people seem to love the most is our Rosemary Growth oil. That's like number one out of the whole Mielle portfolio. It helps increase blood circulation to the scalp. It has over 33 essential oils, all geared to growth and increasing circulation to the hair follicles. And it actually works, which is why people love this oil so much. Some of the challenges that I faced when I launched Mielle was really getting people to pay attention to me and to notice me and to take me serious. I think that's, a challenge that all business owners face. And then of course you have the funding, coming from a nursing background, I had to use my nursing paychecks to help fund the business, which of course it took longer. And when I talk about starting with one product, I started with one product also because I didn't have the funds to start with the full collection. Seeing my products in the stores is seriously it's still surreal. Like to see my brand, next to the big brands and conglomerates that, I grew up seeing on the shelf, and to see that, now my brand is one of the brands that's one of the fastest growing brands, number one brand, next to some of the big leagues is truly, for me, it's a blessing. And it just truly shows that, you can have a dream and a desire, and as long as you work hard and you put forth the effort, like anything is possible. And what's even more special is for my kids to see, because they were there at our first Sally's meeting. And so for them to be there, they were like 5 and 9 years old, and now of course they're 12 and 16, and to see like how, to see their mom have this dream and to be present at this meeting and to now see a billboard effect of our products on the shelf, it's just, to me, it's a surreal thing, but it's also a blessing. What excites me to keep going is the thousands of consumers that come up to me and tell me how my products have changed their lives. To me, that's about impact, and not just our products, but also our community efforts. We are really big with giving back to our community, lifting our community up, reaching back as we continue to climb, and to see how many lives we have changed and impacted. It means the world to me, and that's what motivates me and it keeps me going. I want to empower women that look like me, women that can see themselves in me, and to see that, where I came from, to just look at my whole journey and where I'm at now, and for them to look at me and to say, wow, if she did it, I can do it, and you know what, I can do even better.